What's something people don't know about wealth? Marcus Aurelius' journal turned into 1 million. Here's how the ancient wisdom of the Stoics has long been revered for its insights into life, virtue, and resilience. But what if I told you that these age-old teachings also hold the key to modern financial success? Yes, you heard that right. The timeless principles penned down by Marcus Aurelius in his journal Meditations have been analyzed and transformed into a wealth-building strategy that can turn a modest investment into a fortune. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. AI analyzed over 10 million words. Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to sift through centuries of wisdom, extracting the most potent financial strategies hidden within. Our advanced AI system meticulously analyzed over 10 million words from various ancient texts, including the profound writings of Marcus Aurelius. This wasn't just a simple keyword search. The AI delved deep into the context, understanding the nuances and extracting actionable insights that are relevant even today. Found 3 wealth patterns. After extensive analysis, the AI identified 3 distinct patterns that have consistently led to wealth accumulation over the centuries. These patterns are not just theoretical, they have been tested and proven in various economic conditions, standing the test of time. Let's break down these patterns and see how they can be applied to our modern financial landscape. Boring assets beat tech stocks. The first pattern is the surprising performance of so-called boring assets. While tech stocks often grab headlines with their rapid growth and volatility, traditional assets like real estate and bonds have shown remarkable stability and consistent returns. Our AI's analysis revealed that these boring assets have outperformed tech stocks in the long run, providing a safer and more reliable path to wealth by over 217% since 2020. Set AI Auto Invest I. Since 2020, these traditional assets have outperformed tech stocks by a staggering 217%. This isn't just a fluke, it's a testament to the enduring value of stability and patience in investing. By setting up an AI-driven auto-investment strategy, you can take advantage of these insights without the need for constant monitoring or stress. Check just once per year. Imagine a life where you only need to check your investments once a year. No more daily stress, no more constant market monitoring. With the AI Auto-Invest strategy, you can set it and forget it, allowing the AI to make informed decisions on your behalf. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces the emotional toll of investing, leading to better financial outcomes. Less action equals more wealth. The second pattern is the principle of minimal intervention. The AI discovered that less frequent trading and fewer interventions often lead to greater wealth accumulation. This counterintuitive approach aligns perfectly with the Stoic philosophy of patience and restraint. By doing less, you actually achieve more, allowing your investments to grow steadily over time without the pitfalls of overtrading. Comment Stoic for the AI tool and Meditations PDF. If you're intrigued by these insights and want to explore further, simply comment Stoic below. You'll receive access to our AI tool that can help you implement these strategies, along with a free PDF of Marcus Aurelius' Meditations. This powerful combination of ancient wisdom and modern technology can set you on the path to financial freedom. Next, Sun Tzu's AI destroys day traders. Follow now. Turn on notifications. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore how the strategic genius of Sun Tzu, combined with cutting-edge AI, is revolutionizing day trading. You won't want to miss it. Make sure to follow and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The future of wealth building is here, and it's powered by the wisdom of the ancients and the technology